Removing all devices from your Apple ID security settings is a straightforward process. This helps keep your account secure and ensures that only your current devices are linked to your Apple ID. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website or open the Settings app on your device. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign in. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section. Here, you will find options related to your account's security, including devices linked to your Apple ID. Step 3. View your devices. Look for a section that lists all devices associated with your Apple ID. This may be labeled as devices or managed devices. Click on it to see the full list. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Identify the old device you wish to remove. Click on it to view more details about that device. Step 5. Remove the device. Follow the prompts to remove the selected device from your Apple ID. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure the device is successfully disconnected. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Apple ID, enhancing your account's security.